time graph, a speed time graph or velocity time graph. It is a graph drawn on by taking time on x-axis and a speed or velocity on y-axis. We can obtain from this graph, we can obtain the acceleration of the body as well as distance covered by the body in particular time. Suppose after t time the graph is like this. If we want to calculate the acceleration, we must have to find out the slope of the graph. Here we see that AC equal to OB and slope of the graph is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle of inclination with time axis. Tan theta we know that perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by base, therefore tan theta equal to AC by OA, or we place instead of AC we can take OB, thus tan theta is equal to OB by OA. OB, which is V, velocity or speed, and this is time. We know that thus OB by OA is equal to V by T, means velocity by time, which we can say that rate of change of velocity. If velocity is divided by time, means rate of change of velocity, and according to definition the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Therefore rate of change of velocity is equal to acceleration. It means that from the velocity time graph we can obtain acceleration, and the acceleration can be had by finding the slope of the graph. Next we can also calculate the distance covered in particular time by the body. For this we must have to calculate area enclosed by the graph with time axis. Suppose this is the graph and this is time axis. At t time the area enclosed by the graph with time axis will be a triangle, that is a right angle triangle OAC. If we calculate the area of the triangle, we will calculate the distance covered by the body during t time. But keep in mind the unit of area is square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, etc. But the unit of distance is meter, centimeter, kilometer. But when we calculate area, we must keep in mind using unit. Therefore, for example, we can also calculate the distance covered by the body within t time. Area distance covered is equal to area of the triangle equal to half OA into AC, or AC equal to OB. So then half OA equal to OB. OA in half T into V means half VT. OA into V, this unit. Next we will study in the next part of the video. We will study the characteristics of velocity time graph.